Hi, you're at Key Digital CEDIA 2012 booth, and we're going to introduce you to some brand new products of the Champion Series HDMI hardware, KD 1x2 and KD 1x4. Now, Champion Series is the product line of Key Digital that gives you the Key Digital quality, performance, and reliability at the price point that enables you to deliver the most rock-solid HDMI products into every application possible. This product strips everything down except for the essentials and makes HDMI reliable. We'll show you how. KD 1x2, KD 1x4, very compact packaging. One HDMI in, two HDMI outs, obviously on the KD 1x2. KD 1x4 has one HDMI in, four HDMI outs, where all four of your output devices connected will be viewing the same thing at the same time as a distribution amplifier will give you. Now, we're not only offering the best product at the best price here, we're also giving you, again, Key Digital reliability. How do we handle that? These Champion Series HDMI distribution amplifiers feature an EDID rotary with actually 12 EDID handshakes. This is actually one of the most extensive EDID libraries offered by the Key Digital family of products, and it is at the best price point as well. Now, what do we have? We have 11 handshake settings that are just the most generic of generic, from 1080i with 2-channel audio all the way up to 3D with 7.1 audio, and also features some HDMI resolutions for computers for your conference room type applications. Okay, now you also have settings that enable you to copy the handshake of any output device connected in the case that your application requires video or audio formats and resolutions that perhaps are not stored in our default library. You could turn the rotary to the respective position. Our piece of equipment will pull the output device that you've specified for its HDMI handshake. It stores that EDID file in the software, relays it back to the source at the head end. So we're taking responsibility of the situation here, so you as a CEDIA installer go into every job, every application with the best part at the best price, knowing that you're working with Key Digital to deliver this system, not with some no-name box that your customer says, I only have X amount of dollars, how can we make it work? Go with the Champion Series and you're going to be very, very happy. For more information, of course, jump on to www.keydigital.com. Go to the product pages. You'll find out more information about the EDID library stored inside here and additional technical specifications. Also, of course, call Key Digital Compass Control, or Key Digital Technical Support for between the hours of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we'd be happy to answer any questions. You're at Key Digital CEDIA 2012. We're going to introduce you to the brand new Champion Series HDMI switchers. Champion Series delivers to you the best product at the best price, where we are able to take the Key Digital hardware, software, strip any frills for your most simplest applications, and deliver to you Key Digital quality, performance, and reliability at the price point that you could install this product into each and every one of your applications, even with the most strict and demanding budgets. So we take a look at the 2x1 and the 4x1 switcher, KD 2x1, KD 4x1, simple push buttons on the front to control and toggle between your inputs, 1 or 2. Also IR sensor that is IR controllable. We take a look on the back side. You have 1, 2 HDMI inputs and an HDMI output to go along with it to connect to your display. Now, these Champion Series products create a complete data transparency between your source and your display. What do we mean by that? It is like an A/B switch. Whichever of the two sources that you've selected to be active to your display receives direct communication from the display for its EDID and its HDCP authentication. So this is a complete transparency where we're not going to pull any tricks for you, where some no-name products in the marketplace might interject their own handshaking. This becomes a complete transparency, allowing you, the installer, to take total control of the situation in your HDMI system. We take a look at KD 4x1, 4 HDMI inputs, of course, selectable via IR or the push buttons with a single HDMI output. Key Digital Champion Series delivers to you the best product at the best price, so you could go into every job with the confidence of working with the Key Digital digital HDMI part, go to the Key Digital website, www.keydigital.com, open up the owner's manual to find the information on all of the technical specifications. Of course, you could call our technical support as well, 914-667-9700, option number 3, between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys out. You're at Key Digital CEDIA 2012, and we're going to introduce you to the brand new Champion Series Hi-Fi Pro commercial HDMI cables. This is an HDMI cable with a patented technology that is called IQ control. You actually have HDMI heads with a 3.5 millimeter breakout that is able to carry control signals, and it also works with the Digital IQ Series HDMI matrices to enable audio return channel into your matrixing applications, the first and only product in the industry to date of matrixing to enable audio return channel into the system. Now we take a look at the product. First thing you're going to notice, there's a bright yellow tag on each end. This one here says source. Of course, the other side says display. On that display side, there is an LED. The Hi-Fi Pro commercial series of cables goes all the way up to 75 feet long. And what you have here for all of your distances 30 feet and greater is an equalization that is built in. An equalization. Why do you have an equalization? Because we imagine the slope effect, okay? A slope effect. In the analog world, the slope effect means the longer you go, the less your picture quality that you could expect to have at the display. In the digital world, you have a slope effect of signal loss though, ones and zeros being lost. Now there's a twist. In the HDMI world, there is also a threshold. And once that slope goes below the threshold, installers know that that means you're liable to have nothing on the screen at any given time. The equalization built into the display side of the Hi-Fi Pro commercial series of cables actually equalizes, restoring those ones and zeros within your threshold of acceptance. So now your HDMI runs could go all the way up to 75 feet long, okay, with perfect, absolute pristine picture quality. So go ahead, take a look at www.keydigital.com. You could see the use yourself, where you could go in with from a 3.5 millimeter port of your control system, for example, sending an IR or an RS-232 signal into one side, out the other side, and also go in to the product page, KD-HD 8x8 and KD-HD 8x8 XC, to find out more information how this cable, this patented technology from Key Digital, is enabling the most complex and most feature-packed systems with the best product available with the Digital IQ series of HDMI products.